Did you know Australia has a whole world of native bush foods? I'd heard about a few native fruits such as the Davidson plum and finger limes. We just happened to be in Melbourne for a few days and Hayden from Melbourne Bush Foods reached out offering to show us some native bush foods. When we arrived, we were giving a quick tour and we just caught them hand making this chili oil that uses pepper leaf, saltbush and macadamias. After the tour, we were met with a spread of fruits and other natives too. There were so many I wouldn't be able to fit everything in this video. Some of the ones that really stuck out were desert limes, which are like tiny little limes without the intense sourness. Finger limes, which I think some of you might be familiar with, which were citrusy with a slight bitterness to them. Lily pili, which I'd heard about and always wanted to try. The sourness surprised me, and there was a satisfying freshness to them too. And then kakadu plums, which has one of the highest, if not the highest levels of vitamin C out of all fruit. Then Hayden began rummaging through his plant beds and started picking out all sorts of natives for us to smell and eat. My favorite one was definitely the strawberry gum, which smelled like a mixture of eucalyptus and fresh strawberries. I literally couldn't stop smelling it. After smelling and tasting our way through the entire place, we were sent home with loads of food products made from natives, which I can't wait to try and incorporate into some of my projects in the future, so make sure you're following on to see those videos. So thank you to Hayden and everyone at Melbourne Bush Foods for introducing me and my sister to the world of Australian natives, which I can't wait to jump back into when I get back to Australia.